That ain't no joke. That ain't no joke. That's some stuff.
Camera cannot pick up what we feel.
Right. Long way over here.
Well, looks like all the people down here on the left-hand side of the flight line are being too loud right now with smoke from the jet car. As the big dog, a.k.a. Fowler Carey, brings the aircraft back across for another high-speed run. Unfortunately, Randall lost his life in an accident, taking off from his own private flying aircraft. Yep, coming over with a series of a maximum deflection maneuver with about 7 constant G's. Or if you want to do it the hard way, you can do it negative and pop your eyeballs out of your head. Here he comes again, coming down on the 45-degree down line like a spin cycle of a meat tag watching the sea. That is what you call vertical penetration. As the Viper continues to climb until gravity overcomes that 540 cubic inch engine and just allows the airplane to fall unwatched on the way back down. And here he comes right to the air show center. You'll also note that Jeff is flying at a little bit higher altitude than we will see later in the